Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, computer science learners, tech enthusiasts, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who wants to understand how websites, apps, files, or online systems actually work behind the scenes, this is especially for you. You know, many people use the internet every single day, but when they hear the term server computer, they often get confused. Some think it's just another normal computer, while others feel it's too technical to understand. And honestly, with so many tech terms online, it's easy to overthink things. Questions like, what exactly does a server do? Why do companies use server computers? Are they really different from regular PCs? And are they actually worth the cost? These doubts are very common. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you. Server computers' advantages and disadvantages information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the Technology section, scroll down and open the Devices under the Computers category and select the server computer on that page. This info explains what a server computer is, where it is used, and the major benefits and challenges of using one. Whether you are learning basic computer concepts, planning to study networking, or simply curious about technology, this information can really help you understand things in a simple way. Start by understanding what a server computer actually means. You'll see that a server is a powerful computer designed to manage data, websites, files, emails, and many network services for other computers connected to it. Then, check out the Advantages section carefully. One important benefit is centralized resources. That means all files, applications, and services can be managed from one place, making work easier for schools, offices, and companies. Another useful advantage is improved security. Servers allow better control over users, permissions, and data protection. Plus, they are designed for better performance, so they can handle many users at the same time without slowing down easily. After that, explore the backup and scalability features. Server computers usually include backup systems that help protect important data from loss. And if a company grows, servers can also be upgraded to support more users and more tasks. You'll also notice that server computers are built for continuous operation. Unlike regular computers that may not run all day and night, servers are designed to work 24/7 with cooling systems and reliable hardware. But yes, every technology also has some challenges. So finally, go through the disadvantages section too. One major drawback is the high initial cost. Server hardware and software can be expensive compared to normal computers. Also, server setup and maintenance are not always simple. Skilled professionals are usually needed to manage updates, backups, and security settings. Another important thing mentioned is if proper redundancy or backup systems are not implemented, failure of the main server can disrupt all connected services. And because servers run continuously, they consume more electricity and generate more heat, which increases operational costs as well. What makes this topic really useful is that it gives both advantages and disadvantages clearly, so you can understand the complete picture instead of only one side. The information is updated, simple to understand, and easy to explore even for beginners. And the layout on Youthbuddy helps you quickly find the important points without confusion. So whether you are preparing for exams, learning computer basics, studying networking concepts, or just improving your tech knowledge, this information can definitely be useful for you. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Technology section on the Youthbuddy website. Open the Devices under the Computers category and select Server Computer on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.